We might hit 80 next week, but we're going to have really high fire danger as we head over the next few days as well. Start things off with that forecast over the next couple of days. We're in the 50s for both today and tomorrow on this first day of spring on this Thursday, March the 20th. Tomorrow, mid-50s again. It's a bit breezy out there, but I'm not too overly worried about fire danger over the next few days. Southeast plains, though, there will be that elevated risk for some fire danger where some wind gusts could get up into that 40-mile-an-hour range. Now, this weekend, we get some mountain snow back in the picture, especially on Saturday. So if you're heading to or from the mountains, could be talking about a widespread kind of 4 to 8 inches of snow for us along and north of I-70 and at or above pass level, and including, by the way, the ski areas, a lot of fresh powder. So if you're heading up to the mountains, you want that fresh powder. I'm looking at you, spring breakers. You got some on the way. Next week, though, we get a big ridge of high pressure that builds in. Ahead of that, we will get some increased winds for Sunday and Monday. I'm a little concerned about those in terms of that fire danger for both Sunday and Monday, including the Denver metro area and also most of the eastern plains. Then that ridge starts to build in. And as we get underneath that ridge of high pressure, what's going to happen is we get a bit more of that sinking, compressing air mass that'll basically make all that wind mostly go away. So by next Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we have lighter winds and warmer temperatures. Both, I would say, good news. I think most of you are going to be pretty happy about these temperatures because we're going to be not only talking about those temps getting up into the 70s for us in Denver, we could flirt with 80 degrees at the end of next week, next Thursday, next Friday, somewhere in there. We're going to flirt with 80 degrees for the first time this season. This will likely be our warmest air mass since October, and overall trending on the warm side. But just a reminder, yes, it's spring. Yes, we're talking about 60s, 70s, maybe even 80s as we head over the next few days. We're not done with winter. We all know that, right? I have to repeat this like 40 times of spring, but this is another fake spring because we will get another round of colder and snowier weather at some point here as we head over the next few months. Our average last measurable snowfall is not until April the 28th. Our average last freeze is not until May the 5th for us in Denver. So we still got a ways to go. We all know that, right? Right? Not to be that guy. I feel like I'm a bit of a wet blanket, but just to remind you, we're not done with winter, at least not yet.